Today I'm gonna cook fried fish with tomatoes and onions. Okay, first I'm gonna fry the fish first. Okay. Uh, Dried fish is already cooked. Okay, so we're gonna transfer here. Okay. This is very yummy, guys. Okay. So next, I'm going to saute the garlic. Okay, saute the garlic. And then the onions. And then this one, guys, the spring onion. Smells good. And then next, the tomatoes. Mm. It's super yummy. And then I'm gonna add black pepper, guys. We don't need to put salt because the dried fish is already salty. Okay, and then we're gonna have a little bit soon. Okay, we just put a little bit soon. Just a little. Optional, guys, if you don't want. So don't put. Okay, just little. It's very yummy. Okay. Okay, we're gonna add water and then we'll cover that one first. Pulpy, okay? Okay. Add the tomatoes. It's very good already. Okay, I'm gonna test. Mm, it's already yummy. It's tasty. So now we're gonna put the dried fish. I'm gonna put it here. Mm, Now it's super tasty. We're gonna pour it here. Okay, guys, look at that one. It's very yummy. It's very pretty, guys. Okay. The sauce is you can put in your rice. Mmm. It's yummy, guys. It's very pretty, okay? This is our dried fish with tomatoes and onions. Okay, guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bruja, to my Instagram, the_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page, and then on my Instagram also, and to all my accounts. To my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.